Hello guys, this is Mike with Fuse HVAC, and I have some good news to share right here. I want to show you something that we achieved, and obviously together with our customers. So this is a check that we got, and take a look at the amount. It's $123,000, and this is just one of the checks we recently received from the government, from the programs that provide the rebates. Obviously this is not just a single project, multiple projects. They just send us as a batch, and then we can provide this to the customers. That's how much we were able to get on the rebates at certain time. Numerous rebates. That's for the water heaters, electric panels, heat pumps, ductless systems, ACs, installations, ductwork, thermostats. So there is a mix of rebates, numerous rebates that we can get for you on the systems. We are BayREN and Tech authorized, so we have many rebates and many programs, and we know how to apply. We do apply on behalf of the customers for all those programs, and once the installation is done, we take care of everything, so you don't need to deal with this. We mostly get something like your PG&E account information, so on, and then our coordinators for the rebate will process everything for you, and you'll just get a check. So it could be $3,000, it could be $10,000, depends on the equipment that we install. Obviously it's a more efficient equipment. It's not standard, because for standard you won't be able to get the rebate, but once you get something more efficient, meaning you try to preserve the energy, take care of the climate and so on, you can get paid for that, and sometimes the amounts are very huge, so you'll be able to offset your bills and just be very happy and excited. Like most of the customers are very excited to get, you know, 10,000 check, and because it's gonna offset the whole project installation. Your whole project would be less for that. If you want to know more information about the rebates, would like to schedule a visit, please do so. Please contact us, go online, call us, and we'll come out and help you to get as much money as possible in terms of the rebates and the overall deal. Thank you and good luck. One thing I forgot to tell you, just don't be so excited, because some of the programs, they have a specific budget, so it's not like unlimited. They can run today till, I don't know, for a month, and then they're gonna run out of the budget, which did happen. So there is basically limited time, and it's not rebate from us, that's from the companies, from the government, so we're not liable if they run out of budget. But once it's available, it's better to get it. Something else is that every installation we do with a permit, once it's done, we submit it for the rebate, whichever it could qualify for. So this is done by the default. You don't need to worry about that. Please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. Thank you.